How to log into JPMorgan Chase Employee Portal. Hi everyone, in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys a very quick and easy way to log into your JPMorgan Employee Portal. First thing first, open up your web browser and search for JPMorgan Chase Employee, and then you will be able to find this hr.jpmorganchase.com. Go ahead and open this link up. Now, you will have an option to sign into your account using your employee ID and your personalized password. Now, to get started, you could just go ahead and click on this Get Started button here. And to log in, you will be taken to the login page from here. So first thing you need to provide here is your standard ID or your employee ID. Click on Continue. And if your ID is valid, next step is to enter your password. And if you forgot your password, right where it's showing frequently asked questions, you'll have an option to reset your password from there. Just click on it and you'll be good to go. That is basically it, guys. If this tutorial was helpful to you, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next video.